Alright, so let the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. Back it there if you watch me live, channel 195. Start time. If you touch her, instead of the TV go shock you. Alright, what I'm trying to ask now, the question when I carry enter street today now. If you dey house, food don't finish, not get money to buy food, and the only food will remain for us. Now this small picking baby food. You will chop that baby food. Alright, that's not the matter. I deal with one guy here, Pali guy, one of the guys that say yes, they like what they do. I just stand for road now, say yes, still not the matter. Make it what is your name, sir?
My name remains Mr. Innocent Clayton Chukwemeka Amadi Jr.
Now so Igbo man they go ask them one question, they go introduce all their name. You can't put, you don't say don't put business. I still on the matter, eh? My brother, if you dey ask, you can't dey ask, food not dey ask. Now small pikin baby food dey, you will chop that baby food.
If I chop the baby food, where did the pikin want chop now? But as the matter dey, make I just dey because the food no dey. I go dey like that because to buy baby food now, no be small, no easy. So you better make I go fasting, but make that baby chop. Baby chop belly food.
Make baby chop belly food. Sometimes you say hungry, they kill her.
You don't ever see person with that way, they say I'm hungry kill her.
Never hear her voice. You just continue to the hungry like that. But you notice say the day you dey hungry, the day you dey hungry, you feel stay. But today you go dey do fasting. Now that time hungry go come.
About long fast.
Alright, still on the matter of street channels on Wazobia TV. God bless you, bro. God bless you. Still on the matter. Back it there. Back. No, she's always in orange. She's fine and warm. She's always. What's up?
I love Nigeria. God bless Nigeria. I'm Ojuma. We're talking to you live from Nigeria, Lagos City.
Yeah, man.
Video me live. This is Ojuma.
Yeah, man.
I'm talking to you live in Nigeria.
Yeah. Ojuma. Alright. Thank you very much. God bless you. Alright, you know, say this life, some people, different human beings, they different madness. And one of the madness all they see for Lagos be that. And the guy not doing normal. They watch the guy. The guy not doing normal. Okay, good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
As you dey like this, you wake up in the morning, food not the house. The only food wey in the house now, that small pikin baby food. You go chop am.
How will I chop it? I will not chop it.
What you go do? And I'm the only option wey do.
Since I know that the food is only for the small pikin.
But you know, some people they chop it small pikin baby.
Oh well, I don't think that such a person is normal. I can be a food meant for only small pikin. And my brother left for me. I can still endure. I can bear exactly. But a small pikin cannot bear hunger. So if you should eat the food, you still don't have rest because while the baby is crying, you are still in trouble.
Alright, still on the matter of street channels on Wazobia TV. You don't talk and finish. Still on the mama, good afternoon. Mama. So see your darling husband. Alright, still on the matter of street channels on Wazobia TV. As a mother, you know that kind of thing. You can't dey house, food not dey house. Everything just nothing inside the house. And hungry they beat you well. Then you can't see now only that small pikin food, baby food, 9 days. You go chop am.
No.
Why you go chop am?
My baby go chop before me.
Yeah.
Now.
So because you know so you go fit bear the
yes.
What you go do? What will be your option that time food not dey?
I will look around now, find anything.
I even just say some people dey chop cotton. So now they go just chop the cotton when they ask.
No. Inside even na garri, fit so garri.
Garri no dey.
You go find another thing, any solution go dey now.
Solution go always dey.
Yeah.
Still on the matter. Now make God dey.
Abi. Yeah.
Alright, thank you, ma. Alright, still on the matter on Wazobia TV. Quick it there. Bros, how far now? Why is it not there? Food not the house. Not in the house. But the only option where you get that baby food in the house.
Sharp, I go chop am because now go sustain me for the meantime. Sharp. Yes.
Nigeria the best, yeah. This one are the only person who tell me say go chop and since when I dey ask
Not be baby them before. I be baby also now. How you check the thing?
Baby now, because woman, they say na only man. Woman not the suck love, but man they suck till they die.
Till the next day, sef.
They die.
If they even give you, sef, you go even carry and go heaven. Check life.
All right, still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV, channel 195. If you watch me live, make it not touch you guys. Back. I say, if you touch her, that TV will shock you. All right. Mama, you say what you say, go so Gary.
I say I will so Gary.
What of Gary?
I will drink water now.
Water no.
No matter how. Water must be now. Our fish 2 cost now. I don't know. 2 costs. We just the manager. As we no get another thing to do. No market. No. Yes. As I no get another thing to do. If I see another thing to do, I will leave the fish. Yes. Okay, give me.
What you go help me do?
What? Which one? If money dey now.
If money dey say I go fit trek.
Yes.
The person wey trek from here go reach Abuja since Buhari don give am the money. The guy dey regret why he trek now. And moreover, we no see am trek o. Because driver wey dey drive Abuja road, they say they no see anybody wey trek pass. Tell me Adaka person want to trek for here go reach Abuja. When you no be saying na slave trade we dey. All right, so the matter on straight chance. Make it there. Bro, have fun. How you doing? Ma ask you one question. No run. Ma ye kilo share. Drum back, kilo share. Kilo share. Afternoon. Wazobia TV.
This car will hit me.
You know, hit the car.
Oh.
I know you say this car go hit you. Not be one hit the car. All right, good afternoon. How you doing, madam?
I'm fine. No.
Wazobia TV, channel 1.
No.
Why no chopper?
It's not my food now.
No, you go chop am to sustain yourself small.
No.
You no fit chop am.
No.
Man, they no give me answer when I want.
Give you answer.
You no fit chop.
No, I can't take it.
Why? Anything bad inside?
No, I can't take it. It's not my choice now.
It's not your choice.
Yes.
You no get choice o.
I get choice.
Wait first. Forget. When hungry dey beat you choice.
Why can I eat my baby food?
If you dey chop,
not
if
possible
hungry dey
na.
beat you well, you go know say that the hair get sweet like doctor.
I lie.
You no know.
I lie.
You don't see where hungry beat you well. You don't see where hungry beat you well. Agbo be like mineral.
I lie.
All right. Any food you go like that I go chop am.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You go chop that baby food. Sir.
No, I can't chop baby food.
You no fit chop baby food.
No.
Nothing dey there na anything na.
No, I can't chop baby food.
Dey for me now.
Yes.
Why you go for it?
I can't chop baby food.
Well, na dey take feed you.
I know that. I can't chop.
So na dey talk and na long story. Na me I go chop am. I go chop am. Madam, you no go chop am.
Me, I go shop am.
You go chop am.
Eh? I go shop am now.
Nothing dey there na me.
Yes. Yes.
All right, y'all, still on the matter on street channels on Wazobia TV. If you watch me live, my name is MC Shaggy. Now, like this, I will wrap up the show today. Man, till next episode, till next edition. My name remains MC Shaggy. Back it there. Back. Gary, you go chop out.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. no dolly.
As we dey carry the